Ever wondered why some lessons feel like a walk in the park, while others have you scaling Mount Everest? Well, that's where Bloom's taxonomy comes in. This classic model breaks down how we learn, step by step, from the easy stuff to the more complex. So, grab your climbing gear, and let's ascend this learning ladder together. The original version of Bloom's taxonomy was developed back in 1956, and it's all about climbing a hierarchy of cognitive skills. Imagine it as a ladder with 6 steps, starting from basic knowledge at the bottom and working your way up to the ultimate goal evaluation. At the base, we have knowledge, the foundation of learning. Here, it's all about remembering facts, definitions, and terms. Think of it as the memorize and repeat stage. Action verbs: define, list, identify. Example: what are the 3 branches of government? Easy peasy. Next up, comprehension. You're not just parroting information anymore. You're actually starting to understand it. This is where you explain, summarize, and describe things. Now, you can finally put those random facts into context. Action verbs: explain, summarize, describe. Example: explain how the branches of government interact. Boom, you're comprehending. Moving up, we reach application. It's time to roll up your sleeves and put that knowledge to work. Apply what you've learned to solve real-world problems, like using a formula to solve that pesky math problem. Action verbs: use, implement, demonstrate. Example: use a map to find the quickest route home. That's application in action. Now, things get interesting with analysis. Here, you're breaking things down into their parts, examining relationships, and figuring out how everything fits together. It's detective work for your brain. Action verbs: compare, contrast, examine. Example: compare the pros and cons of democracy and monarchy. You're now officially an analyst. At the second to last level, synthesis, you're combining ideas to create something brand new. Think of it as being the chef who whips up a gourmet meal from random ingredients. Bon appetit. Action verbs: create, design, compose. Example: write an essay on how democracy could be improved. You're now creating new insights. Finally, we reach the summit. Evaluation. This is where you make informed judgments, critique ideas, and assess the value of information. It's like being the Simon Cowell of learning. You're calling the shots now. Action verbs: evaluate, judge, critique. Example: evaluate the effectiveness of a government policy. Congratulations, you've reached the top. Fast forward to 2001, and Bloom's taxonomy got a facelift. Anderson and Krathwohl modernized the hierarchy, swapping out the old nouns for action-packed verbs. And guess what? They even added a new final level: create. The switch to verbs isn't just fancy, it's practical. Learning isn't something you have, it's something you do. And now, creating has taken its rightful place at the top, making learners the ultimate inventors. But wait, there's more. In today's tech-savvy world, Bloom's taxonomy is the perfect framework for integrating technology into learning. Let's take a look. Remember, use flashcard apps to recall facts. Understand? Watch explainer videos or take interactive quizzes to deepen comprehension. Apply. Engage with simulation games or problem-solving apps. Analyze. Work with data analysis tools or collaborate on online projects. Evaluate. Participate in peer reviews or online debates. Create. Build digital stories, design an app, or produce a video. Hey, just like this one. Technology turns Bloom's taxonomy into an action-packed adventure where learners aren't just absorbing information, they're living it. So why should you care about Bloom's taxonomy? Because it's the gold standard for designing lessons that actually work. Whether you're crafting a training program, planning a classroom lesson, or creating an online course, Bloom's helps you shape clear, structured learning outcomes that cater to every cognitive level. Key takeaway: Bloom's taxonomy is your roadmap for transforming learning experiences from basic memorization to higher order thinking. And there you have it, Bloom's taxonomy, from base level knowledge to the heights of creativity. Whether you're a teacher, trainer, or lifelong learner, understanding Bloom's helps you make learning a journey, not just a destination. Thanks for joining us on this climb. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Remember, we ensure your creativity and innovations are simplified.